Get ready, it's Dorky Girl vlog time. Oh yeah! Oh my god, so we are in a blizzard right now, and I'm kind of freaked out. I'm kind of scared to be by this window right now because there's also thunder and lightning going on during this blizzard. I've never seen thunder and lightning with a storm before, but there's seriously thunder and lightning going on.
I've never seen that before either with snow.
Just taking pictures.
Yeah, send my family in Mississippi who are like, snow, what's that?
It's like my cousin that lives out in California.
Let's see if we can get a really cool shot. No, go ahead. Go. I was gonna take a really cool...
I'm trying to get it blowing so my mother-in-law can see.
Oh, you're recording?
Yeah.
I thought you were gonna take a thing. What are you doing? And we got everybody here. Emily's all excited.
She's like, whoa, baby!
Emily's saying, whoa, baby! She's just all full of giggles. But yeah, I'm kind of freaked out. I don't want to lose power, and I'm kind of scared because it already blinked once, and
Don't jinx it.
I'm not gonna jinx it. I'm just saying.
She's been saying it for like
I'm scared. I said if we lose power. I didn't say we are. And the lightning scared me. And when Stephanie, this thing was by the window and it lightninged, your whole house like lit up blue. It was really crazy. Because of Emily's ball pit.
To a tree that gets struck by lightning but yet covered in snow.
What?
Good point.
What would happen to a tree that gets hit by lightning but yet covered in snow? Because if a tree gets hit by lightning during a rainstorm, it just fries the tree.
If you know the answer, you should post an answer below this video and let us know because we have no idea. How do you decide what you're eating?
I think it would catch on fire and then go
I'm going by the healthy scale.
blueberry bread.
Hey, what's that sugar thing?
Sugar right near the microwave.
You spin? Woo! Say bye-bye to the internet. Say bye-bye. And say hopefully we will not get messed up from the snowstorm. She is. Cute kisses.
You kiss.
Oh, she made out with you guys. All right, good night.